What about the promises we made? Why did she leave us behind? The dreams we had for each other. I know that justice for her through the Almighty shall be gained, and she will never be forgotten, as she was a friend indeed. Even though her decision may have not been a clever one, she is now in a better place, and we shall meet in the next life. Go rest.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Lufuno's memorial service is continuing at Mbilu High School. Most people feel her school was actually not a suitable place for her memorial service since she was humiliated in the school premises. Guys, it is a very painful day for most South Africans, especially her friends and family. Her friends remembered her as a peacemaker, a classmate with so much love and charisma. People said she planted a tree of love in their heart. She told them everyone is beautiful but in different ways. One of Lufuno's friends cried and asked why did she have to leave them? What about the promises they have made to their parents? What about the dreams they had for each other? Lufuno is normal and Candy is arrested. Painful as it is, I wish her story can be used to teach other learners about bullying and its consequences. May her soul rest in peace. She will always be in our heart. Her funeral will be tomorrow on Saturday. And the family further shared their bank details for those who wish to make a donation. I will leave the bank details on the comment section. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.